You know, at one time or another, most of us have looked to AI to help us find a recipe, the words to a favorite song, decorate our house, conduct research. But what happens when we start to share personal information? Tonight, 6 News anchor Bo Williams is digging deeper to find out if the private information you look up on AI is truly just that, private.
You know, Lori, that is the question, whether it's your personal health or financial information. At the end of the day, think about what you're asking of AI, because as I found out, your information may not be as safe as you think. The next time you get ready to input your personal information into AI, remember this.
Everything is hackable at some point.
Paul Sponcia is the CEO of the IT company. His advice, consider the AI model you're offering up your personal information to before you hit enter. If you're paying for it, well, chances are you're getting higher levels of privacy. But if it's free...
If you're not paying for them, then you're giving them license to use your data to train that model on your information.
And that means your personal health and financial information, as well as any company information, could be out there for the taking and end up on the dark web.
Any information that would be something that you would traditionally tell a professional, like maybe your doctor or your therapist or your accountant or your attorney, that's the sort of information we really just don't want you feeding into AI.
Bethany Wilson and Brandon Morrow are with the law firm Kramer Racing.
We want to be careful that we're not putting information into ChatGPT or Grok that is confidential, that's proprietary, whether it's bank account information, whether it's personal health information, whatever the case may be. Sometimes there's a false sense of security that comes when it's just you and your phone and you and a laptop.
And it's that false sense that can lead to bigger problems.
If you get a free account on ChatGPT and you start asking it personal information about maybe diseases you have, or you start uploading your tax returns and asking it to analyze it, you're providing that model with your data that it can use really in any way they want.
Which raises another question. Are there laws to protect us and our information when it comes to certain forms of AI?
There really just aren't any laws that specifically address this, certainly not at a federal level.
I think we'll continue to see Congress work on this. I think we'll continue to see more states take this issue up. But again, it's a little bit of an uphill battle because the technology is going to continue to develop. And so while there may be some regulations and laws that get passed dealing with where we're at today, I suspect the technology will be light years ahead by the time those get on the books.
In other words, common sense may be your best defense when it comes to protecting your information.
I would not rely on legal protections at this juncture, and maybe not ever, to provide a level of privacy where you could feel comfortable plugging anything into an AI platform. Instead, we need to exercise some personal responsibility in that regard and be careful about what we're feeding into these algorithms.
Which takes us back to the beginning, something that is well worth repeating.
Anything has the opportunity to be hacked from a security perspective.
You know, everyone I spoke with says there are huge benefits, obviously, to AI, right? But as Bethany Wilson, who you just heard from, told me, if it's a question you wouldn't ask a complete stranger at the grocery store, don't ask AI.
That's a good rule of thumb.
Yeah, pretty simple.
Okay, here's a question, Bo. What if you're at your doctor's office or maybe an attorney?
Sure.
Is it okay to ask them if they're using AI and how safe it is?
Absolutely. First of all, there's nothing wrong with asking. Matter of fact, some of these companies will tell you right up front on their website that they use AI. But you can ask them, find out what type they use, and then also just what happens to that information once they're done using it. It's okay to ask, just to be sure.
And you should feel comfortable asking your doctor that. You need to know this information.
Exactly. But a lot of them, I said, do offer it up straight up on their website, so check that out as well, all right?
Very good.
Yeah.
All right. Bo, thank you.
See you at 6.
Interesting report. Yes, I'll see you then. Now